can't be!
Who did this?
Sienna!
Please, milady, don't die on us! Magnus, go get a doctor!
Where? We're in the middle of nowhere.
Hold her, Mylock. I'm gonna pull it out.
No, Seiya. You can't. It's no normal arrow.
That's right!
Who the hell are you?
Tremi, the Silver Sagittar Knight. Ha! That is a god-killer arrow. The only one capable of pulling it out is our Grand Master, a man as noble and high-minded as the gods.
Sienna!
The arrow will gradually penetrate deeper and deeper. In 12 hours, it will reach her heart, and she will die. Phantom Arrow Attack!
Look out!
Huh? These arrows are fake!
Wrong! Oh. Not all of my arrows are phantoms. You'll find that some of them are very real.
Protect Athena!
Phantom Arrow Attack!
The real arrows carry more weight, so they should sound different. Trust your ears. Focus on the sound.